Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account online on Bankwest Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Open Bankwest account. Click on this first link, that is bank accounts. Now we can see various bank accounts over here. Choose the bank account you want to open the bank account in and click on Learn More. Now simply click on Apply Now. And if you are a new Bankwest customer, click on Apply Online over here. And if you already have account, go for this one. So let's go for first one. Now we need to agree to the terms and conditions and simply click on Start. Now we need to enter all of our details here, and once you are done with the personal details, we'll get down and simply click on Continue. After which we need to enter our residential, that is address details, and our employment details as well. And we also need to enter our identity details, and we need to provide our identity cards. Once all of the information is done and the verification of the information we provided is done, we need to review all of the details. And once that is done, we get into the final step, that our Bankwest online banking account. So after that, our Bankwest account will finally be created. So this is all we can do to open bank account online of Bankwest Bank. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.